Hello, everyone, and welcome to another segment about the R.A. Jones Asset Management Program. Today, we're coming live from our Davenport, Iowa facility. We'll be talking about our service agreement program, the customer service offers to customers. I have Dana here from our customer service team.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us,
Yeah.
Dana. You're heavily involved, very intimate with our customers and service.
Absolutely. Yep.
So if you can give us a quick overview about this program and how it benefits our customers, that'd be great.
How it works. We started this about 4 years ago.
Okay.
And how it works is if the customer books like a minimum of 2 visits and then it's 2 days per visit,
Okay.
then they qualify for the discounts, which are 10% off the in-plant labor, which is when the guy is actually in the plant, and then 10% off the parts that he calls out while he's there. So mainly a lot of customers will use these for audits.
Okay.
So we come in, we audit the machine, we make a parts list, they get the 10% off the parts, we come back, the second visit is to rebuild the machine. So a lot of customers use it for that, but you can also use it for breakdowns,
Okay.
PM visits, hands-on training. We know there's a lot of customers that have new personnel or turnover, so
Right.
that just, we can do maintenance, we can do operator. There's a lot of advantages. It provides a customer like peace of mind that the machine is in good shape.
Right.
You can book quarterly visits. You can book twice a year. If you know the dates that you want, you can go ahead and book them in advance into the next year.
Okay.
The good thing about this is there's no contract to sign.
Okay.
There's no contract. It's just, and we don't need a PO up front. We just need to know your commitment, just saying, yes, I do want to participate in it. Then we put you on the customer list. And then throughout the year, then I may touch base and say, okay, you've got 3 visits left to use. And it's very simple.
Okay.
I mean, it's a huge advantage to the customers. They get a discount, but they also keep their machines running.
So this is a very proactive approach
It really is.
for our customers
It really
to take
is. It really is.
to help with preventing downtime, unforeseen downtime.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
We were talking before, they can also secure, you said future dates of normal audits or service
Absolutely.
that are typical, and they can actually request a specific technician used to having
Exactly.
and book it in advance.
Right. So then they're guaranteed that they get that guy
Right.
and the time frame that they're looking for. It's not that they're locked into those dates, but if they know in advance, say, hey, we're going to do, January and July,
Right.
then we go ahead and just block a spot in there so that we've got the gentleman reserved for them.
Okay.
So,
All right. And it's very fitting we're in front of this large map here, the global map, because R.A. Jones does service the globe, basically,
absolutely.
correct?
Yes.
We will send our technicians basically anywhere our customers and our
Absolutely.
equipment
Absolutely.
is.
No, and we're worldwide. These guys will travel wherever we need them to go. Yeah.
So what's the process of actually a customer contacting us to learn more about the service agreements, or how does that work? They just call, or
They can call me, and typically if they do call me, I just get an email address. It's way easier. I've got a brochure
Okay.
that I attach, but then I can also lay it out for them so that they understand what you can and can't use it on. There's 3 things you can't use them on, which is new machine installs,
Right.
mods like upgrades, or formal training, which formal training is like classroom training and hands-on, which involves training manuals. So
Right.
those 3 things are excluded from this.
Okay.
But yes, I just send them an email, lay it all out for them. If you've got any questions, let me know. If you decide you would like to, I just need it back in an email so that we do a lot of service on email, so there's no mistakes.
Right.
Dates.
Paper trail.
It is a paper trail. So I mean, that way, and especially when we're scheduling, somebody might say, oh yeah, we want the 16th, 17th, 18th, but that can be confusing because we don't know if it's this month or next month, or so yeah, if they want to call or email, that's fine. I can help them out, no problem.
That's great. And you mentioned there's really no PO commitment up front.
There is
There's no
not.
contract.
No, the PO is totally
very
up to-
flexible.
It's very flexible. And
Great.
like I said, we start offering these like in October prior to the coming year. And we do that so that if people have budgets, then we can get the quote to them. They know exactly, the estimated cost. It's
Right.
never just a firm, but
Sure.
they can go ahead and build that into their budget.
Well, it's good for planning for that next year.
Absolutely.
We all know
Yeah.
how complicated it is for budgets. So
Exactly.
another great benefit. Well, thank you so much. That was a
Sure.
great overview of the service agreements we offer here at R.A. Jones. If you would like to learn more about service agreements, you can email us direct at info@rajones.com. If you'd like to learn more about our asset management program in general, with all the other offerings we have, you can visit www.rajones.com. Thanks for joining.